Hi everyone, it's Kay here, filming at 5 o'clock in the morning, 'cause I can't sleep. Just wanted to share with you a box that I got from from Which You Do. And you're saying, box? What box? I took it out of the box. And it was called a limited edition box, and it was reduced by half. And so I thought I would get it, and with Witchcraft You Do, I'll send you a little bundle to say thank you. So in the little bundle, I've got letter H, journaling card, heart, numbers. Oh, more numbers, great. I love these little number stencils, and a tag and a note to say thank you with some dragonflies on it. I thought perhaps I could use that somewhere along the line, somewhere. Put those to one side, and I have cut the paper. This paper is gorgeous. I've got a bit of this paper already. Let's have a look to see what we've got. And take it to one side so we can open it properly. So it's got this lace. It's sort of like a dusty pink. If I can open it, it'll be good. I don't know, sometimes they're hard to open, these bags. Give up, Kay. I do like to try and recycle them if I can, but apologise for light flickering. Been doing that a lot. Start the video and it's fine, and then it goes all flickery. It's a really lovely colour. Actually, that would go very nicely with the journal I'm making at the moment. Then there's this two other bits of laces with different colour, a cream colour and a white. A good bit of that. So there's the cream. Is it the same pattern? Oh no, it's not the same pattern. There's the white. There's the, I call it ecru, that colour. Is that another one again? Oh, 3. Oh, 4. Is that it? I think that's it. 4 different laces in there. 2, 3. And where's the skinny one? Lost it. 4. So those. And black lace. It's a nice bit of black lace. It's lovely. Very nice, like the flowers on that. And some big bit of white lace. It take ages to pack all this stuff up. Because there's only the 3 of them. There's Kerry, Rennie and their mum, and it would take a lot of effort to do this stuff with 3 people. That's lovely. That's really lovely. Feels nice too. So that's that. More acrylic lace. It's a bit darker than the other ones. Hope you can hear me. Try not to be too loud, so I don't want to disturb. Even though I'm at the one end of the house and my husband's down the other end of the house. Don't want to disturb him, really. But he was awake when I got up this morning, so both of us woke up at the same time, I reckon. It's lovely as well. So I've got a good amount of lace to add to my already bulging lace collection. Got some sari silk ties. That'd be good for different journals and for the tops of tags. I don't have anything like this, so that's useful. If I can open it. Yes, there's all those colours. They're lovely. I like this one. Sort of like a shiny olive colour. Lovely. And there's a bit of tape cloth. Cloth tape. Sort of like a cloth ribbon, but it's got a tape measure pattern on it. There you go. It's really different. It's sort of like a bluey colour with, was it purple? I'm not sure. That's purple or, I think it's purple. Lovely. Oh, that's interesting. Bit of texture. I mean, I did see listed things in the box, because with Witchcraft you do the most amazing photograph for all their things. You just need to go to their website. I will put their link below. They have really useful digitals that I've got a number of as well. So there's that plastic. I think it is. That sticky plastic, do you reckon? Is that sticky? I think it is. Perfect. Great texture. Keep going. Some little bells. Are they bells? Yeah. I'm not going to open those because if I open that, I bet you they'll go everywhere. Some Tim Holtz flourishes. Fabulous. I don't have a lot of Tim Holtz stuff because it's too expensive normally, but this was a bargain really. Transparent tiles. Oh, is that what they are? Oh, I never knew. Because like for Witchcraft you do put those in the thank you packs, but I had no idea really what they were. So there's letters, and what are the white ones? No, the letters too. Oh, they're nifty. I don't think they're sticky though, because I've tried before trying to see if they were sticky. Interesting. And Tim Holtz ephemera pack of little labels. Oh, they're gorgeous. I love those. How many did you get in a packet? Lots of things. As I say, it's got all these little, I'm not going to pull them all out otherwise. Look at all those little labels. Some of those little labels are really good to have. I've been looking at someone and let's see, so to get this pre-done, that's good. Different colours. Oh, lost one. Put it back later. Love those. Find somewhere to put it. And some bulb pins, always useful. Some star adornments. I think they've got a flat back. That'd be good for some of the grungy journals, I think. This is just some little envelopes. They're great. Oh wow. The wallpaper from Tim Holtz. Again, like I said, I don't buy a lot of Tim Holtz because it's just too expensive. But to get all this stuff, I think it cost me 50 something on the dollar thing. Can't remember. There was only a few left, so I grabbed them. So these got like wallpaper textures. Oh, they're nice, aren't they? I like that one. Put it in my box of things for my journal. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, I do like that one. I'll put that aside as well. I've got a box of ephemera here for my journal that I'm making. It's so lovely. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful. There's a picture of all the patterns in the back. Awesome. Get some rose cut keys and some circles. That'd be good. Good to have a moustache. Oh, I like that. That's really lovely. You can use that as a stencil. And it's still going on, which is really amazing. These are lovely. I think, are they papers or... I can't remember what they said in the description. I don't think there's any of these packets left, unfortunately, but keep your eye open, you never know. But I could be wrong, there may be some left, I don't know. They had a sale on them, so... Oh yes, I do like those. The card, lovely. And some newspaper pieces. Well, how about that? I don't know who printed these, but obviously Crfat got them from elsewhere. But that's not how you spell knowledge. And I know that's the American way for spelling centre. We don't spell centre like that in Australia or England. Knowledge. That's not good. Sorry, the ex-teacher coming at me here. Oh, wow. I've been looking for a number stencil for ages. Fabulous. How exciting. Sticky labels. And they come in these 3 colours. Oh, lovely. And, oops, some alteration cards, and there's some of this paper underneath. There's tissue paper there, and there's something here. Oh, there's pianola paper. There's a lot of stuff there. It's really good value for money. Really good value for money. I get their email, so that really helps me find these different things. Because they send regular emails and think, oh yes, have a look at those. They often have flash sales and all sorts of things which Crfat do have. That's nice. Nice paper. And that's everything. Wow. Thank you so much for each craft you do, for a wonderful box of goodies. And so I'm really, really pleased with everything that's in there. I'm just so excited to start using them. Thank you so much for joining me today. And it's now 5:20. I'm going to put these things away. Please take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. See ya.